Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion AI with Trello, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Notion AI with Trello, start by ensuring you have both accounts set up. Log into your Notion account on your preferred browser. Next, navigate to the Notion AI interface. Once you are there, look for the integration options available within Notion. Select the option to add a new integration. After that, search for Trello in the list of supported integrations. Click on the Trello option to open the integration settings. You will need to authorize Notion to connect with your Trello account. Sign in to your Trello account, if prompted, and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to your Notion workspace. Here, you can create a new page or select an existing page to set up your Trello integration. Look for the option to embed Trello boards within the Notion page. Copy the URL of the Trello board you wish to connect. Paste the Trello board URL into the Notion page. After pasting the URL, Notion should automatically recognize it as a Trello board. Adjust the size and layout of the Trello board display as desired. Now you can use Notion AI to interact with your Trello board. For example, you can create tasks, set reminders, or even generate summaries of your Trello cards. To do this, use Notion AI's command prompts related to Trello. Experiment with different commands to see what works best for your workflow. Ensure you save any changes made within Notion. Refresh the page to ensure the integration is functioning properly. You can now seamlessly use Notion AI alongside Trello for improved project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.